In this video, I'm going to show you how to see where you are logged in on WhatsApp. So if you're using WhatsApp and you discover that you logged in on various devices, maybe your Windows, your Mac, your iPhone or Android, and you don't know where to access these settings to log out from all these devices in your WhatsApp, here's a video for you. So if you downloaded this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to see where you're logged in on WhatsApp is to open the WhatsApp application on your phone. Then if you're using Android, click on the menu icon at the top, that's the three dots, and select link devices. On iPhone, you want to click on settings here to select link devices. Then once you selected link devices, you'll see where you're logged in here. You can see I'm logged in on Google Chrome on my Windows computer. And to log out of this from where my WhatsApp account is logged in, all I need to do is tap the device where I want to log out and then tap logout. Once you click on logout button, you should say logging out, and instantly you'll be logged out from where you are logged in on your WhatsApp account, and you can be rest assured that your WhatsApp account is now secured. So this is how you can easily see where you are logged in on WhatsApp and how you can log out where you are logged in on WhatsApp on your phone. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.